Hello students, today we discuss life process for class 10. What is the meaning of life process? The basic functions performed by the living organisms. And we know some characteristics features of living organisms. That means we born, then developed means the little baby, they are developed, then increase their height. Also every day we take the oxygen, then every day release the harmful substance from the body. So there's some characteristics feature, and last, that means growth also, and last they can die. So it is the some characteristics feature of the living organisms. Means they can grow, they can take the food particles every day, they also take the oxygen for the respiration, and stimuli means give the response against any means stimuli, give the stimuli of the any response, and last they die. So they are the some characteristics feature of the living organisms. Then nutrition. What is the meaning of nutrition? We take the food and produce the energy inside the body. This is known as the nutrition. In nutrition, there are mainly two types. Number one, autotrophic, and second one is the heterotrophic. What is the meaning of autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition means plants, they are able to make their own food by the help of the sunlight and carbon dioxide. Means by the photosynthesis. So by the help of the photosynthesis, plants are able to make their own food, and this is known as the autotrophic. Auto means cell. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. So means cells, they are produce their food particles, and this is examples of plants. Plants are able to make their own food by the help of the sunlight or chlorophyll, and by the help of the carbon dioxide and water. Then heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition means those organisms, they can't produce their food particles. They totally depends on the autotrophic mode of nutrition, means autotrophs. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition means those organisms, they are totally depends on the autotroph, are known as this type of mode of nutrition is known as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic means those organisms, they are produce their own energy, and this type of mode of nutrition is known as the autotrophic, and the organisms are the autotrophs. And heterotrophic means they can't able to make their own food, and they depends on the autotrophs, and this type of mode of nutrition are known as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and the organisms are known as heterotrophs, like human beings. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition, three types. Number one, saprotrophic. Saprotrophic means they can grow on the means dead or decaying matter. This type of mode of nutrition is known as the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Like fungi. We know fungi, that means the mushrooms, they can grow on the surface of the dead or decaying matter, like rotten cow dung or others. Okay. So this type of mode of nutrition is known as the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Parasitic. Parasitic means they can depends on the means they can depends on the host body. Host body means those body from which the organisms take the nutritions. Okay. And parasitic means and the organisms are known as the parasite. Like roundworm, they are present inside the body and they take the nutrition from the body. Parasitic mode of nutrition means parasite are two types: total parasite and partial parasite. Total parasite means they are totally depends, like roundworms, they present inside the body and they take the food from the human beings. So they are the total parasites. And partial parasite, partial parasite means those organisms, they are present means they take the food from the living organisms, but not they are present inside the body, like leech. they take the blood, but they are not present inside the body. And holozoic means they can take the solid food particles. This type of organisms, this type of mode of nutrition is known as the holozoic mode of nutrition. Like human beings, we take the chapati, or we take the meat, or we take the other things. So this one is the solid. So solid thing taken is known as the holozoic mode of nutrition. So mode of nutrition two type: autotrophic, that means the organisms they can say, produce their own food, and the organisms are known as the autotrophs. Heterotrophic means the process in which their total depends on the autotrophs is known as the heterotrophic, and the organisms are known as heterotroph. Heterotrophic are three types: saprotrophic, parasitic, and holozoic. Saprotrophic means they can grow on the dead and decaying matter like fungi. Parasites means they are present inside the host body, and the organisms are known as the parasite. And the holozoic means they take the solid food particle from the they can take the solid food particles and produce the energy. Okay, thank you. We discuss next in next day. Thank you.